啦，時間已經係嚟到晏晝嘅2:38左右啦。咁而家我就要去出發啦，去到呢一個撥涌嘅地區去接阿伊薇同埋 Daffy 嘅。咁聽講 Daffy 咧就係呢個呢個中法嘅混血兒嚟嘅，翻嚟馬來西亞度假，咁好想睇下 KL 嘅一啲風景。咁所以今次嘅任務咧就係要載阿伊薇同埋 Daffy 咧去到 KL 市區嚟睇一睇 KL 究竟有幾靚啦。咁同我同車嘅咧，除咗我之外咧，仲有秋月嘅喎。係啊，心情如何啊，大寶？心情啊，今次就完成任務就唔使咁趕，咁所以個心情咧還好嘅。
你準備咗咩咧？
準備啊，冇咩準備啊，準備咗一個法文叫石榴 B 石榴 B 啦，希望佢聽得明啦。
OK，
好啦，差唔多時間，我哋要出發啦。
Yeah go！
Hello， 請問係咪啊？咩名咗啊？伊薇啊？係。伊薇你好啊，我係大寶啊。Hello， 你好。係啊，我已經到咗你哋樓下啦 ，F 係嘛？快啲唔好影我，影靚女。佢一落嚟嘅時候，嗰啲閃光燈咁樣，之後陣間佢就唔影我，同你講啦，佢咧就會一直影靚女噶，你啊，我講緊。Hi. Welcome to Malaysia.
How to invite us?
Oh, okay. 伊薇是不是？
伊薇对，你是伊薇对。
好。
And you are? I'm Delphine.
Daffy.
I'm her cousin from France.
Okay. So how do you feel Malaysia?
I like Malaysia. I always come for my summer holidays.
Okay.
And I feel very great in Malaysia. I like this country.
Okay.
Yeah. 喂，你靚女嚟㗎，兩個都好靚。阿 Jeff 一定好嬲。阿 Jeff 話：點解唔叫我嚟載
So later maybe I will send you to our station as well.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Yeah, I'd like to see.
Yeah, produce you a handsome guy later.
Okay, thank you. 我就係諗住想覺得我嘅 cousin 因為好遠翻嚟㗎嘛，想帶佢行一行 KL 咯。我自己又唔識揸車喎，係有 license 冇車俾我揸啦，所以就唯有嗌的士，唯有請佢哋載我哋行一行 KL 咯。有咩期望啊？就希望俾佢一個好特別嘅 feeling 咯。即係俾佢見識下Malaysia 嘅電台嘅分別咯。九爸爸，有聲有色。
有聲有色。I also don't know. I just follow the car in front of us. Now we reach the triangle, the Golden Triangle Park in KL. This side is Sungai Wang, a very famous shopping center. Yeah. Daily friends.
Yeah,
Is it a French friend?
French, yeah.
Okay.
I know how to make smashed potatoes and egg.
A very easy thing. That's all. So do you try nasi lemak before?
Yeah, I have tried before. Yeah. Why? You want to eat? No.
今河咧啲遊客好中意㗎。Already? Okay. Okay.
My favorite is beer.
家翻到公司，再載緊靚女去俾阿 Nick 睇嘅嚇，阿 Nick 唔好話我唔益佢啦。
Yeah.
We learn some French.
Yeah, do you remember how to say how are you?
Comment
ça va?
Bonjour.
Yeah, comment ça va? Hello.
呢度仲影啊？唔使影一個啦，頭先影咗㗎啦嘛。You are go on air just to say hi for a while because my colleague she says she is quite nervous because her English is.
Okay. So this is our live studio.
人在那个脑不在啊。
可能是因为很忙的时候。
冇啊，我係都要講下佢嘅咩？
好啦，幫佢交俾你㗎，咁多嘢。
真係兌換啊身份，你睇你着得咁靚仔，我着咁樣啊今日。
我要着先靚仔㗎，唔着唔靚仔嘅。
呢隻歌曲之後就打個招呼啊！我現場好熱鬧啊！有周杰倫嘅呢一首歌係飄移啦。好啦，我哋現場係非常之熱鬧嘅，俾啲聲音嚟聽下先。嗱，我哋現場呢度咧，即係表示熱氣，但係真係病咗。
即係啦，如果有聽緊就都知道啦，呢幾日咧我嘅巴拔的士體驗全城大件事啊嘛，體驗咧就係包括好多嘅生老病。
後面嘅字係省略啊！
生女病、生老病、生老病，跟住佢，嘿大家好啊，聽個新駕駛愉快，跟住講完之後就。咁佢有虛脱嘅，但係我哋呢啲叫咩 Pro 啊嘛，因為等陣咧我嘅任務咧就係要拎一個生日蛋糕俾一位朋友啦，跟住咧就載佢哋睇演唱會嘅，係啊，所以
安仔
係啦，安仔好似我哋求婚嘅樣嘅，
仲有冇啦？佢覺得做 DJ 呢就市正啲，因為我哋個個做得好市正咁嘛。
原來咧，我哋平時講石榴糊、石榴 V 咧係冇石榴糊呢個字嘅。
啊，知 sexy boy。OK。
It means it's good。
哦。
OK。
好料料嘅歌啊 ，sexy。
因為個堂姐嚟馬來西亞旅行，咁所以咧就搭上我哋988的士，就希望我哋咧可以帶佢去一啲景點嘅。咁頭先我哋去咗 shopping 啊，你知女仔大家好中意 shopping
你又跟住去 shop 啊？
梗係
打工濟師啊！
唔係，我要做埋啲導遊啊！今日阿師傅講㗎，師傅講要為人友善咧，然後先至可以多客㗎。咁又係咁，其實咧就係頭先我哋去咗個精品店啦。原來咧我哋呢位法國嚟嘅朋友咧，阿 Daphne 咧就冇咁近 ，Daphne 咧就好中意一啲 accessory 嘅，咁就帶咗佢去睇。咁佢就同我哋傾咗好多啦。咁好中意馬來西亞啦等等嘅，咁可以叫佢講下嘅。
三個都未用過啲嘅。
我都
你問佢咯，佢嘅經驗。
可以啦，就係
Paris. Oh, I'm going to Paris next month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
For shopping.
Ask him to. Is it the first time?
Yeah.